My name is Qingyue Song. I am an M.F.A. student who majored in design at Syracuse University. My project is about oral health screening system. Because nowadays, when we talk about to see the dentist, people will feel nervous. And also to see the dentist is not really cheap here. I want to provide them small or private environment in a booth or have a kiosk to take the dental photography by themselves. Here will be a screen like a guideline to teach you how to use this machine. For this camera, they will be like a trail here and you can just adjust the height, and those two tools will be so important. If you just have these things, you can just help you to open your mouth. For here, I will send you the example of the image for the different position, and then you will finish your photo. Then you will send that, and the system will send back to you a report. And the dental photography will be a main point to have the conversation with the dentist, and then they can have the chance to talk more about what kinds of treatment you need or what kinds of the issues you need to consider about. It's just a chance for you to know more about your oral health.